The posture pump is a device that increases lumbar disc height by spreading lumbar vertebrae apart, which draws fluids into the disc. This is helpful in removing mechanical pressure to nerves, which may reduce sciatica. Place the posture pump under your low back as shown and slowly lie down on top of it. Use a neck roll for comfort. Pump the hand pump 3 to 4 times to start out and lie down for 15 minutes. Discontinue if it causes pain or increased symptoms. After the 15 minutes, press and hold the buttons on the hand pumps to let out the air. Take your time sitting up. Do not come up suddenly. Do twice a day indefinitely. As you get used to it, you can increase the number of pumps to increase the effect.